And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 202. Let me show the rough pastels filter. Press Ctrl J to copy the original, then I go to Filter, Filter Gallery. It's under Artistic, Rough Pastels, right here. Let me zoom out, holding Alt, and then I use the mouse wheel. You can also find it via the drop down where it's alphabetically sorted. Let's go over the adjustment options and what they mean. The stroke length. This controls the length of the pastel strokes, so it kind of affects the overall smoothness of the effect, you could say. The stroke detail determines the level of detail, so you can also make that smooth if you go down or make it very rough if you go up, but this is only for the strokes and not the entire effect. Then we have a texture option, so that's the underlying surface on where these strokes are placed. You can change that from canvas to brick, burlap or sandstone. And then we have the scaling and the relief. I don't know if that's the way to pronounce it in English, but the first option here, scaling, is just the size of the chosen texture. So let me stick to canvas, and then you can make that appear larger or smaller. And the second adjustment option here, this controls the depth. I could also call it maybe prominence of the texture. So how much does it stand out when it comes to the image, the overall effect. And then we have a light direction. So there's always a light source, which affects the shadows and highlights that are casted on the texture, and you can adjust its direction right here via the drop down. Finally, you can also invert that. You're gonna leave it unchecked, and don't forget to confirm via OK. And you can see this turns any photo into a pastel drawing. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.